I heard about Dr. Stile back in 2005. I was pregnant with my youngest child, and I used to get this magazine at home that had always his advertisement, and I was very impressed by his advertisement. So I knew that when I was done with that child, because that was my 5th child, I was going to come and see him, and that's what I did. I went to see him after my kid. What I heard about him before I came to him was all in the magazines. I never knew anybody that knew him. It was just, I was very impressed by his advertisement, his pictures. Everything he did was just very impressive to me, and that's why I went to him. He looked like a professional, a perfectionist, and that's what I was looking for. My first impression of Dr. Stile when I first met him was, wow, I trust this guy, and I really want him to do, to make me feel better about myself, because I was not feeling very well about myself. And when I saw him for the first time, I knew that he was going to be the right doctor for me. I trusted him. I absolutely think that his attention to detail is the most important quality to a plastic surgeon. And that's the reason why I trust him, and I refer everybody I ever met that needs a surgery, because he's a perfectionist, and that's exactly what you need when you're having something done to your body. What made me want to have a plastic surgery done was, as a woman and in real estate, I think that my image is very important, the way I look. It just made me feel more confident. I knew that once I liked my body and the way I looked, I would feel more confident, and confidence just shows, it makes you more successful. I was thinking about having a plastic procedure. I knew I was going to have it before I got pregnant with my last baby, but then, of course, I got pregnant, and then I said, well, now we have to wait, and I knew I was going to have it done for sure. My first impression of the office and the decor was absolutely, I was so impressed once again. And you can tell the way he is by looking at his office, his staff, everybody is just perfect. And that's what you want when you're having surgery done to your body. My experience with his staff has always been great. They have always been very professional. They have always been, fantastic to me. My first surgery that I had with Dr. Stile was in August 6th of 2005. The experience with that first surgery was amazing. With the first surgery, it was pretty hard for me because obviously I had a lot of procedures done. But Dr. Stile was always, very good. Every appointment after every follow-up appointment was fantastic. He was always making sure that I was happy with the procedure. I am very happy that I went through my procedure, extremely happy. I will go back and do it 3 more times if I had to. And I recommend everybody to have it done. All those women that are afraid out there of having any procedures done, I always tell them, you need to go and get it done, because you will feel so good about yourself. When the time comes, I will go back to him and we'll have more procedures done.